Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add payment methods on your Apple ID. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in appleid.apple.com. Once you do that, go ahead, give your credentials, then sign in into your Apple account. Now on the screen at the top right corner, you're gonna find three icons. Right below the search icon, you'll find a small drop down icon. Tap on it. Now from there you can see options like personal information, sign in and security, and finally payment methods. Tap on payment methods, then select add payment method. Once you do that, on the screen you can see you're gonna have to select country or region, then select a payment method, then add billing address, give all the details and scroll down. You're gonna have to add shipping address as well, select the country region as well, then tick on the empty boxes and tap on update. Once you do that, you'll be able to update your payment method or add your payment method to your Apple ID. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.